So when I say time management, it is not about to-do list. Okay, let me repeat it once again. Time management is attention management. Attention management. Got it? Meaning, wherever your attention goes, your energy flows. Wherever your energy flows, the result shows. And today you are going to find out how you can focus, how you can take your attention to somewhere where you want it to go, and you see the miracles happening. All right, so let's go and see and understand how the time management clock works. Okay, and I'll run you through with my schedule then, and it will help you understand and correlate with what is that you're going on now. All right, are you excited? Let's go.